Productions. We gonna smooth it out for y'all just a little bit.
Yeah, come on, let's go listen.
What's up, guys? Thank you so much for coming to my channel and choosing to watch my video. I appreciate you. Okay, today we're just going to be talking about a really well-known hair company that I just wanted to share some information on with you guys because I feel like they're popping, they're fresh, they're new. Well, they're not new, they would have been around for a minute, but they're really popular right now, and I just wanted to give you guys the perspective of a actual consumer.
Pause. This is not to offend anybody. I just wanted to let you guys know that I did not partner with Beauty Forever Hair. I bought this with my coins. Continue.
And I bought this hair with my own coins. No sponsorships involved, anything like that. I mean, as y'all can see, I'm at 0 subscribers right now. So we trying to get your girl up? Yeah, let's do that. So without further ado, you guys, we're gonna jump right into the video and we're gonna go ahead and get the specs on this hair because it looks bomb. I just want to preface this video and say I do apologize for looking down. I did take some notes on my little notebook here, make sure that I get all this content out to you guys, or all this information out to you guys. So the hair company that we're gonna be talking about today, drums please, none other than Beauty Forever Hair. You probably can't even see that. Can you see that? I don't think you can see that. Okay, it's whatever. But Beauty Forever Hair, you guys. So I was super duper stoked to get this hair. Everybody was talking about how good the curly hair was. Just a whole bunch of influencers have been rocking Beauty Forever Hair, and I was like, you know what, let me see what all the hype is about. Let me see if it's worth the coins. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video. So this is how the hair came to me. It came via UPS. It took me about 5 business days to get the hair. I ordered the hair on last Monday, which was Memorial Day, and I received the hair yesterday. I would have gotten it Monday, but there was some issues going on out here with UPS, and they wasn't playing with my packaging, and I was not having it. But anyway, I would have got it a lot sooner had all of that not transpired. The hair did come in like the little clear plastic wraps. I am sorry, I did go ahead and like undo. Hey, babe. I'm sorry, y'all, that's my husband. I did go ahead and take the hair out of the clear packaging just so I can make sure that the hair was indeed what I ordered. And it was. So everything was good. The customer service, there really wasn't any customer service to be involved because I ordered the hair online, and I mean, bada boom, bada bang, that was it. I got constant email requests or constant email updates about where my package was at and all that jazz. This is the hair. Like I said, it came in like this little cute baggie, which I thought was pretty neat. It's got their logo on the front and just their social media handles so you can follow them. And this is the hair, y'all. The order was indeed accurate. I ordered 2 bundles of 24 inches, 1 bundle of 22 inches, and a 18-inch closure. And this is their Malaysian curly. I just have to say, just like first glance, y'all, this hair is so pretty. It is so, like, y'all can see these curls are popping. I haven't put any water on it or anything yet, and these curls are already popping. Like, I cannot wait to make it into a wig and install it. I'm super duper geeked about that. This is the 24-inch, I think, right here. Yes, this is the 24-inch right here, and I would say that the size of the bundle is actually pretty decent. I think it's pretty thick for it to be 24 inches because we all know that the longer your bundle is, the smaller the weft is gonna be. So this is actually a pretty good size to me, I feel like, to get that fullness that I desire. The feel or the texture of the hair. The hair feels so good, you guys. Like, I'm gonna show y'all the closure too, but I just want to show you guys the bundle first. The hair feels so freaking good. It's so soft. I'm running my hands through it. I'm not getting any shedding, like none whatsoever. You guys can see how bouncy these curls are. I'm so geeked, like, oh my gosh, I'm so geeked. It's already starting to get a little poofy. I did just get one strand. That was it, just one strand. But the shedding is very minimal, and I can just run my fingers right through it. Like, it's not resisting, it's not doing anything crazy. It's just smooth, silky. The smell of the hair is actually really good. It just smells like that standard shampoo smell of hair that you get from China. It doesn't smell like corn chips or anything like that. If it smelled like corn chips, then I would have known instantly off the cuff the hair has been chemically processed. If it has been, I wouldn't know, because it doesn't smell like that. It smells really good, actually. It smells really, really good. So it just smells like shampoo and conditioner. And once again, still very flowy and everything. This is the body yaddy of it. And look at that, y'all. It's just got so much body and so much luster. Like, do y'all see these curls? Yes, I'm here for it. Running my fingers through it, and it's no shedding. Like, I've literally gotten one strand out of the second bundle that I just put in my hand, but there's no shedding whatsoever. Now, I know this is a first impressions, and it's so hard or so difficult to tell how good quality hair is with just the first couple of days of having it. So you do kind of have to wear it a little bit and see what's going on with it and stuff like that. But so far, so good. Ends on this hair look actually really, really healthy, really, really good. You can see they're not all like scattered about and stuff like that. They're actually really thick. So these are what the ends are looking like. As y'all can see, they look really good. Really, really good. It did come in like a natural 1B, or you're really not supposed to say 1B when you're talking about virgin hair, but it did come in like a natural brown color, which my hair is a natural brown. I don't have black hair or jet black hair. I just have like a natural brown hair. Although I'm getting or I have this lace closure over here, I'm not really too concerned about it, but it'll look realistic. That's the point I'm trying to make. And yeah, so it came in like this natural 1B color. And just by dissecting the hair, I don't really see like any unusual strands. I don't see any fillers. I don't see any white strands or red strands or blue strands. That's a prime indicator that there is fillers in the hair, and I do not see that. If anything, I see like little blonde hairs and some gray hairs as well. So nothing crazy, nothing abnormal. So far, so good. On a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the best, I'm gonna rate it a 4, because like I said, we still gotta get into the wear of it. So can't just start off with 5. But yeah, you guys, the overall quality of the hair, I would say, is actually pretty decent. This is the closure right here. I did get a middle part closure. As you can see, it does look like it was kind of like dyed or something right there, like some kind of stain or something, but I'm not too concerned about it, because I am going to be tinting the lace anyway to match my hair color, my skin tone. And this is the lace, I will say, is a little thick. There you go. I will say the lace, it feels a little thick, but we'll see. I'm trying to get it so you guys can see the quality of it. But yeah. And the hairline on this closure is not plucked, so I am gonna have to pluck that for my next upload that I'm gonna be uploading. I'm actually gonna be sharing with you guys how I do the frontal effect on my lace closures. I actually am a wig stylist or wig maker. As you can see, my sewing machine and my little mannequin head here. I have all of my supplies to my left. So if you are looking for some cute custom-made units, don't hesitate to hit your girl up. And I actually just updated the pricing, so I'm going to be linking the website, if not in this video, in the next video, so you guys can go ahead and check that out and order. And I'm just super excited, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Your girl is grateful. Follow me on Instagram. You can follow my shop name. It's at Shop Jayelure. That's ShopJayelure. Okay? And I'm gonna leave that right here too, so you guys can remember that. And it's the same thing on Facebook. It's actually Jayelure Hair and Fashion on Facebook, if you guys want to check me out on Facebook as well. In the meantime, between time, that's all that I have for you guys today. Like I said, don't forget to stay tuned for the next video, so I can show y'all how I get that frontal effect. And I will see y'all in the next one. So y'all, I don't know how I forgot to tell y'all this, but the cost of that hair was only $185. $3. Now mind you, I did get it on a sale because it was Memorial Day and they were doing like the little Memorial Day sales or whatever. But when I went back today to actually check the price of the bundles that I received, it only went up by like $20 or $30. So I think it's like $200 now. So that's still a stay for some good quality hair. So make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing a 1 month update, and I'm also gonna be doing that closure frontal effect video thing. And yeah, I just had to add that in there.
I totally forgot to record an outro. I'm so sorry, y'all. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one.